Welcome back to Tap Tech. Here we break down the latest gadgets, cameras, and tech you need to know about. If you love staying ahead with the most exciting devices, you're in the right place. There are cameras that make you stop and look twice. Cameras that don't follow trends but create their own. The Sony RX1R III is one of those. A compact full-frame powerhouse that tries to blend high-end image quality with portability. And in this review, we're going to explore everything it offers. So stick around, because this little camera might surprise you. When you first hold the Sony RX1R III, it doesn't feel like a camera that packs a full-frame sensor. The body is small, light, and minimalist, yet it feels premium. Sony has built it with magnesium alloy, giving it strength without extra weight. It feels solid in the hand, with no flex or cheapness. Every dial and button has a purpose, and nothing seems wasted. The grip is slim but usable, and the layout keeps controls within reach. It's a balance of portability and professionalism. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting parts, the display and viewfinder. The RX1R III features a high-resolution tilting LCD screen that makes shooting more flexible, whether you're capturing low angles or high shots. The electronic viewfinder is bright, crisp, and pops out when needed. This makes it easy to compose even in bright sunlight. And for many photographers, having both options, LCD and EVF, is a big deal. But what really makes this camera special is performance. Inside is a full-frame sensor paired with Sony's advanced Bions processor. This combination delivers stunning detail, rich colors, and impressive dynamic range. Images are sharp across the frame, with natural tones and smooth gradients. Low-light performance is excellent, with minimal noise even when you push ISO higher. For photographers who love shooting in challenging conditions, this is a game-changer. And then there's autofocus. Sony has put serious effort into making it fast, accurate, and reliable. Autofocus is included, locking onto subjects with precision. Whether you're shooting portraits, street photography, or candid moments, the RX1R III keeps subjects in focus with minimal effort. It's not just about speed, it's about consistency. And this is where the RX1R III really shows its strength. Now let's move to software and features. Sony has packed this compact camera with tools that make it even more versatile. You'll find multiple creative shooting modes, customizable buttons, and strong RAW support. There's also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick sharing and remote control via mobile devices. It's built for modern workflows, where getting photos off the camera quickly is just as important as taking them. Battery life is decent but not outstanding. Like many compact cameras, the smaller body limits space for larger batteries. You can expect a few hundred shots on a charge, depending on how much you use the EVF and screen. For longer shoots, carrying spares is a must. Charging can be done via USB, which makes it more convenient when traveling. For creators, the RX1R III isn't just about stills. Video performance is solid, offering 4K recording with good detail and color. While it may not replace a dedicated video camera, it's more than capable for casual filmmakers, vloggers, or anyone wanting cinematic shots on the go. The compact size makes it discreet, which is perfect for documentary-style shooting. Now let's talk about gaming or creative performance. While it's not a gaming device, its creative potential is unmatched for its size. Street photographers will love how discreet it is. Travel photographers will appreciate not carrying heavy gear while still capturing full-frame quality. It's designed for people who want pro-level results without the bulk. That's its true strength, delivering creative freedom. The speakers and audio options are not the highlight here since this is primarily a photography tool. But for video, audio capture is clear enough for casual use. External audio gear is recommended for serious projects, but for quick content, it works fine. Connectivity is also an important factor. The RX1R III supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to transfer images to your phone or tablet. You can also use Sony's mobile app to control the camera remotely, which is handy for group shots or when you need precise framing without touching the camera. Price and value are where things get in. Tier listing. The Sony RX1R III is not cheap. It's a premium compact with a full-frame sensor, and that combination always comes with a high price tag. But what you're paying for is unique. There are few cameras this small that deliver this level of quality. For professionals who want a backup, or enthusiasts who want the best without carrying a large system, the price can be justified. Of course, there are pros and cons. The pros include the compact size, full-frame image quality, excellent autofocus, strong build, and flexible shooting options. The cons are shorter battery life, limited zoom since it uses a fixed lens, and the high price. For some, these trade-offs will be worth it. For others, it might feel restrictive. So what's the final verdict? The Sony RX1R III is not a camera for everyone. It's for those who want the absolute best image quality in the smallest possible package. It's for photographers who value discretion, portability, and performance all in one. It's expensive, but it delivers something few cameras can. If that matches your style, it could be the perfect tool. This little camera proves that power doesn't always come in a big package. Sometimes, the most compact devices deliver the biggest surprises. And that's what makes the Sony RX1R III worth talking about. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to stay tuned for more reviews of the latest cameras and tech. See you in the next one.